In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Snowflake's SnowSQL on a Windows operating system. If you've been eager to streamline your data operations with the powerful capabilities of Snowflake, then you're in the right place. We'll walk you through the downloading and installation process step by step, ensuring that you have everything you need to get started. First, let's talk about downloading the SnowSQL installer. Snowflake provides the installer in a .msi format, which is specifically designed for Windows operating systems. Head over to the Snowflake website, navigate to the Download section, and locate the SnowSQL .msi installer package. Once you've found it, click the Download button. This should trigger the downloading of the installer to your system. Make sure to save it in a location that's easy for you to remember, such as your desktop or your Downloads folder. Now that the installer is downloaded, it's time to proceed with the installation. Depending on your system's settings, you may need to provide administrative permissions to begin the installation process. Simply right-click on the .msi file and select Run as Administrator to ensure that you have the necessary privileges. Once the installer is running, you'll be greeted with a series of on-screen prompts. These prompts are designed to guide you through the installation process. It's crucial to follow these instructions carefully. It will typically ask you to confirm the installation directory, agree to terms and conditions, and select additional settings preferences. The standard options are usually fine for most users, but feel free to customize any settings according to your needs. After you've followed all the prompts and the installation is complete, you're ready to start using SnowSQL. You can launch SnowSQL in a couple of different ways. One straightforward option is to use the Start menu. Simply press the Windows key, type SnowSQL into the search bar, and it should appear on the list. Click on it, and it will open up, ready for you to enter commands and start handling your data tasks. Alternatively, if you prefer working within a command line environment, you can access SnowSQL via PowerShell or command prompt. Just type SnowSQL and hit Enter, and it should launch without any issues. And there you have it. You've successfully installed SnowSQL on your Windows machine. From here, you can dive into managing and analyzing your data with all the powerful features Snowflake has to offer. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to improving your data operations like a pro. Thanks for tuning in today, and enjoy using SnowSQL. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time.